If you're trying to improve your credit score in the UK, there are a few practical steps that can make a real difference. The first is to prove where you live. Registering on the electoral roll at your current address helps lenders confirm your details, even if you're living with parents or sharing a flat. Next, work on building your credit history. If you've never borrowed before, or you're new to the UK, lenders won't have much to judge you on. Opening small accounts like a phone contract or a credit builder card and managing them well is a good start. Always make payments on time. Even one missed bill can hurt your score, but consistent on-time payments show that you're reliable. Try to keep your credit use low. If you have a card with a £2,000 limit, don't spend right up to it. Using less than 30% of your limit looks better to lenders. Check your credit report for mistakes. Something as small as an old address or an account you don't recognize can bring your score down. If you see errors, get them corrected as soon as possible. It's also worth monitoring your file for fraud. If someone takes out credit in your name, you'll want to catch it quickly before it does long-term damage. If possible, avoid moving home too often. Lenders like to see some stability in your personal details. Keep older accounts open, even if you don't use them much. A longer credit history shows you can manage credit responsibly over time. And finally, if your score is low, consider a credit builder card. These usually have low limits and higher interest rates, but if you spend a small amount and pay it off each month, it can gradually boost your score. Improving your credit score doesn't happen overnight, but with steady habits and a bit of patience, you'll see progress over time.